This is a tangle called ravel, and it starts with two orbs, and you connect them with an elongated letter S, and then you just or them on both sides. There's no rhyme or reason, and then you add another orb, and you can have them go behind one another, in front of one another. It's really one of those amazing tangles that for me is kind of like senna or bales, where it's very easy to repetitively do the same thing and kind of get lost and not realize that hours have gone by while you're tangling. And so we always begin with gratitude. We find something that we're grateful or appreciative for, whether it's the pen and paper that we're using, our family, our health, whatever it is. We take a deep breath in and breathe in gratitude. And on the exhale, we get rid of all the junk. We just let it go and spend this moment in this time enjoying the fact that we're taking time out for our own self-care. And for many people, this can help with stress, anxiety. For some, it's creativity. But you be the judge of what it does and how it helps you. I love to do this outside when it's nice out near a tree or sitting on the ground, because it's a great way to be grounded at the same time. I love to get very cheap notebooks, even if they have lines on it, it doesn't matter, and just have a notebook that fits in whatever little bag I have, along with a pen that I just keep in my purse or my backpack. And then I can tangle anywhere, whether I'm in the waiting room at a doctor's office or, waiting for kids to be picked up. It's just a nice thing that you can do anywhere. Tangling has gotten me through the passing of both my parents, a divorce, and it really helped me find me. But most importantly, what I'll say tangling did do is it helped me release my ego so that I'm not always searching for a perfect straight line, because it doesn't exist. I'm not trying to achieve the perfect circle, which is why we call them orbs in tangling. It really helped me let go of perfection, because there is no such thing. And I think as human beings, we expect it from other human beings, but it's just so silly because it's not achievable. And so the more we realize that, tangling becomes easier and easier, because the tangle just is what it is. And it's the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle's a bonus at the end. So really finding out if you're holding your breath when you do meditative art or whatever the case may be, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle. And so for me, I've learned a lot about myself. And I don't try to make a straight line anymore. There's no such thing as mistakes. Let go and let the pen, paper, whatever it is that you're using, let them do their own thing. Enjoy yourself, have fun, and enjoy the journey.